Gwarchod plant a phobl ifanc rhag trais a llamdriniaeth yn y cartre.
More help and support for children who are worried or feeling low.
Making local areas safer for children.
Mwy o help I deuluoedd sydd angen mwy o arian. Stopping children being bullied.
More help and support for young people who are worried or feeling low.
More help for young people and families who don't have enough money.
Better places for young people to spend time in the local area.
Protecting children and young people from violence and abuse in the home.
Stopping young people from being bullied.